Okay, and welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. I'm Steve. So I got a little bit of update for you, and just to show you a little bit of progress here. And actually I haven't made much progress at all. So I went searching around the internet to look for stuff to light this up, and I saw a fabulous build on YouTube by Brad Hare, and I'll put a link down below in the description so you can get to his channel. He's already built this kit, and it's a fantastic job. So Brad, thank you very much. You've given me some inspiration with your build. I've decided after watching his video, I'm going to go ahead and use the Paragraphics photo etch set. So as soon as they come in, I'll be able to make progress on that. So in the meantime, I'm getting the parts prepped and ready for lighting. I'm cleaning off excess flash and so forth. It's a relatively simple build, but it's really going to be the first time I ever lit up a kit with fiber optics and LEDs. It might take me a little bit longer to do it, but thanks to all the other YouTube channels that I've been watching, I've learned a whole lot on wiring and things to do about building this kit. So just as soon as Paul gets me the photo etch set, I'll start adding the details on the sides and everything that's available. And if it's big like this, you just want to take and snip it off. A lot of this won't be seen because it will be covered inside. So I need to cut out those. Let's see here, some more. There's a lot of stuff to prep here for lighting. Cutting off the extra nubs here. Speaking of Battlestar Galactica, I am looking forward to Moebius's release of the original Battlestar Galactica kit, and that should be very nice, and it's on my radar indeed. So there you go, just a little update. So I'll be back a little bit later. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.